Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the sound and vibration section, so let's tap. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see right here we've got the section sounds, and here we've got the phone ringtone, alarm sounds and notification sounds. So let me show you how to do it, how to change it using the ringtone itself. As you can see, after tapping on it we will be transferred to two different SIM cards, so we can basically differentiate the ringtone between the SIM cards. So let me pick, for example, the first one, and as you can see, after tapping on it we will be transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, in the right upper corner we've got this plus icon, and after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, then they will appear right here, or in another file, just you can find it here in the downloads or something like that, and you can pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me get back to the defaultly installed ones, and basically all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So for example, blue piano, the chime bell, and so on. And so let me volume it down just a little bit. So basically that's how it works. And if you'd like to set particular ringtone, for example this chime bell, make sure that it is marked and simply go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that we just successfully set the ringtone, and from now on your device will use it in order to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.